Hi, I'm Joe Burciaga, one of our service advisors here at Hennessy Lexus of Gwinnett. I want to give you a quick tour of our service department. Once arrival, you'll be greeted by one of the valets who will soon escort you to our concierge. And after the concierge, she'll go ahead and take you guys to your advisor. And after the concierge brings you to our desk, we inform you guys of anything that the vehicle may need or anything you guys have any concerns of. Thank you for choosing Hennessy Lexus of Gwinnett. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to me or any one of our advisors here.